Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable fast boot on LENOVO V15. In order to enable fast boot, you're first gonna have to boot into the BIOS menu. To do that, power your device off completely, then short press the power button and start repeatedly pressing F2 key until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Then, to navigate in this menu, use left and right arrow keys to switch between tabs. To navigate between options, use up and down arrow keys. This way, navigate to the boot menu, select the fast boot option, press enter, and to disable it, select disabled, press enter once again. To enable it, the same way. Press F10 to save changes and exit, and then press enter to confirm. To exit without saving changes, press escape, and to restore default values, press F9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.